All right, we're really going to have some fun today. This is really beautiful stuff, and I want to show you a couple things. We're going to do a little bit of burning. So all these fabrics today, $12.99. This is crazy. These prices, I mean, they're beautiful. Look at this. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. You could really use both sides. You can see that the front side's a little more brighter, more intense, because it is a woven. It's not a stamped. It's woven. The fabric's woven in. It's just beautiful. This is a two-way stretch. That is just amazing. A beautiful lavender knit. My goodness, a cardigan, $9.23. A top. There's just so many things that'd be great in this. We have here a beautiful lavender. There's a little bit of teal, black, white. Again, 100% cotton. And then this next one is reversible and meant to be. So there's two very fine layers woven together, or you know, you can't, I've tried to pick them apart and I couldn't pick them apart. But anyway, they're just stunning. And they're reversible. You want to make something where both sides are seen, which is really fun because you could do a sleeve and then roll up the cuff. Just lots of fun ideas for this. And again, 100% cotton, 100% cotton. This is a cotton poly. And I want to show you the differences. This is a coordinating, these are all coordinating fabrics. This one being mostly white, well, white, having a good amount of white. And then this one, same fabric, but yet same print and everything, but mostly blue. So really cute for a little cardigan on the outside, or reverse, whichever color you like best. These are amazing. They have stretch in one direction, which of course you don't really need stretch in two directions with something like this. But anyway, I want to show you something, because I'm going to tell you that these are 100% cotton, but they're not. Let me explain what I mean by that. So, well, let me start by burning this one first. I want to just show you the burn and what I go through. So when I burn this, and this is this lavender, there's the burn, if you watch the burn, you can see a little bit of flicker there. And that flicker is the fabric struggling to burn. So that means that there's a little bit of poly in there, because poly doesn't burn. But the amount of flame you saw means there's a good amount of cotton in there. So when I go to burn something like this one, for instance, and I light it, and you can see how beautiful the burn is, how clean, because there's nothing, it's 100% cotton. There's nothing to stop the burn, and you get this beautiful smooth edge when you're done. There's nothing else in there except for cotton. Now, having showed you those, I want to show you this, because this actually has a beautiful burn to it. So see how clean, and I want to say there's no flicker. It's just smooth. But when I blow it out, there's just a little bit, there's a little bit of crisp on there. So that means it's probably like 99% cotton. So I'm going to say 99% cotton. It's not 100%, but it's like 100% cotton. It's beautiful. So that was all the reason for this. So again, today, $12.99. These are gorgeous fabrics, gorgeous colors. You'll love them. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.